medium heat pan, caramelize half cup of sugar. Set it to the lowest heat to avoid burning. Then add it to the grease bun cake pan. Set it aside. Separate egg yolks from egg whites. We only need the egg yolks this time, so you can just use the egg white for egg white omelette maybe, or any other recipe of your choice. Whisk the egg yolks, then add the evaporated milk and condensed milk. Mix thoroughly but gently to make it smooth and avoid bubbles. Add the vanilla extract and again mix gently. Strain 2 to 3 times to have a smooth mixture. Add it to the bun pan over caramelized sugar. Add about an inch of water to the roasting pan. Cover with foil. Carefully slide the pan into the oven and bake 350 degrees for an hour. In a mixing bowl, put the butter and add the sugar. Mix. Beat in the egg. Sift together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and cocoa in a medium bowl. Beat 1/3 of the flour mixture and 1/2 of the evaporated milk into the egg mixture. Then slowly add the rest. Blend until well incorporated. Scoop the cake batter into the flan and spread it evenly. Wait for another 50 to 60 minutes until the chocolate cake is done.